Here's a breakdown of the key identifications of California scrub jay. 1. Size and shape. Fairly large songbird with lanky dimensions. Long and floppy tail and hunched-over posture. 2. Bill. Straight and stout with a hook at the tip. 3. Color, rich azure blue and gray on the upper side, while clean and pale with a blue necklace. 4. Assertive and vocal, known for their bold and loud behavior. 5. Inquisitive, often acts as lookouts, silhouetted high in trees or on wires. 6. Flight pattern **, underpowered and slow with fluttering and gliding. 7. Habitats, found in oak woodlands, chaparral, backyards, pastures, and orchards. Sometimes found in lower and drier habitats than Steller's jay.